Seems like it's raining harder and harder. And it's raining right inside of our sunroom. I'm trying to catch water with any possible container that I have at my disposal. There are buckets, there are trays, the floor is wet all around. Downstairs the floor is wet. And after making many calls, even recommended by insurance company, nobody is willing to come out and help us with this. You can see that the water is running like a little river here inside the frame, then coming out and going into the floor. I'm trying to catch it with a container. This futon is totally ruined. There's no way to move it anywhere. So everything is, you can actually see that it's raining inside. I really hope that this gets fixed. Because of this breakage during the storm and the seals were washed out, now it's raining all over the sunroom. And we have our baby pool here trying to collect water. I'm trying to prevent further damage downstairs. The chest is ruined. By the time we ran out, it was covered in water and the top is totally separated from the lid. The futon is ruined. It's full of glass and water. Oh, this is a nightmare. What a nightmare. We can't even come out here and clean out the glass properly or anything because of what we have here. It's a total mess. So we stuck an umbrella as a temporary measure, so at least it's not raining directly into the room, because it was impossible to keep up with water coming in. Ay, ay, ay.